Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will review the Citi PremierMiles credit card Priority Pass. This card provides valuable access to airport lounges globally through its included Priority Pass membership. You'll receive 2 complimentary lounge visits each year, which can be a fantastic perk for occasional travelers. However, it's important to note that any additional guest visits beyond these 2 will incur a fee of $32 per person. Priority Pass opens doors to over 300 airport lounges across the globe. Inside these lounges, you can enjoy a range of amenities, including complimentary Wi-Fi, a selection of snacks, and refreshing beverages. This access can transform your travel experience, offering a quiet and comfortable space away from the busy terminal before your flight. Deciding if the Priority Pass benefit is worth it depends on your travel habits. With only 2 complimentary visits per year, very frequent flyers might find this insufficient. It's crucial to consider how often you travel and the typical cost of lounge access if you were to pay out of pocket. Compare these potential savings against the Citi PremierMiles card's annual fee to determine its true value for you. If 2 lounge visits aren't enough, consider exploring other credit cards that offer a higher number of complimentary Priority Pass entries or even unlimited access. For very extensive travel, purchasing a standalone Priority Pass membership might be a more cost-effective solution. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the Owala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. It's perfect for keeping hydrated on your journeys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.